If your Snapchat camera is blurry, follow these steps to fix it. 1. Clean the camera lens. Wipe your phone's camera lens with a soft, clean cloth. Smudges or dirt can cause blurriness. 2. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. 3. Update Snapchat. Go to Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iPhone, and check for updates. 4. Check camera permissions. Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat's Permissions, Camera, and ensure it's allowed. iPhone. Go to Settings, Snapchat Camera, and toggle it on. 5. Disable Snapchat filters and lenses. If your camera is only blurry when using filters, try turning them off to see if that helps. 6. Clear Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat, tap on your profile, tap on Settings gear, scroll down to clear cache, tap Clear All. 7. Reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall and reinstall Snapchat to fix any corrupted files. 8. Check for phone software updates. Go to Settings, System, Software Update, and install any available updates. 9. Test the default camera app. Open your phone's camera app. If it's blurry there too, the issue might be with your phone's camera, not Snapchat. 10. Contact Snapchat support. If none of these steps work, report the issue to Snapchat through the app. Setting I need help, report a bug.